So I have been test driving Zorin OS for a few hours now, and I just want to talk about some of the things that I really like about it. Let's go. Number one is this clean interface when you log in. It is not unnecessarily busy. It is just a login screen, and there is some nuance to it. It's actually very well designed. And I think that in this case is a typical case of simplicity as the presence of profound thought, because you can see a little writing here is Zorin OS, the date, and some icons over here, and then just the screen and the blurred out background. I like that a lot. And then as you log in, you are welcomed with this screen here, which seems familiar if you're coming from Windows, because it's pretty much like Windows. This background image here, you can actually change that quite easily with a right click on the menus. Now here is the Zorin OS, like the Windows, Windows logo. You click on it, or the start logo that is. You click on it, and then it expands into like your programs and stuff, and they're categorized. I really like the fact that the programs are categorized on this side here, and over here, I like that there's that, direct links to the main important stuff, and then over here, you can also pin apps on the taskbar. So I like that a lot. I also like the very simplistic stuff here compared to Windows, where it's like you have just so much going on all the time. You're notified like a million times in a day about things popping up here and there and a bunch of stuff running in the background. This one just feels like this is my computer. This is my space, and I get to determine what I run on this. I think that's the beauty of Linux right now, is the fact that it allows you to actually own that space here. Whereas Microsoft is really gone away from that with Windows 11. I really appreciate what Linux presents here. And to be honest with you guys, if this thing goes well, I'm actually going to purchase the copy like this, the more advanced copy. I'm gonna purchase it and I'm gonna install it on a bunch of my computers, just because I kind of value, you know, I value ownership. I value that this is something that I preach on this channel, and I feel like Microsoft right now does not respect the ownership of the computer by the individual that actually purchased it. And it just feels like another data mining machine that feeds Microsoft, and I really detest that.